The handle assembly allows you to control your blower's tube assembly. The handle is attached to the swivel tube so you can point and manipulate the tube. The handle is typically replaced due to accidental damage. Replacing the handle assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the straight pipe and nozzle. Now I can remove the handle. I'll unscrew the thumb screw and then slide the handle off of the tube. Now I can install the new handle. There's a tab on the blower tube. I'll align the tab with the notch on the handle. Once it's aligned with the tab, I'll secure it with the wing nut. And I'll finish by reinstalling the straight pipe and nozzle. And that's how easy it is to replace the handle on your backpack blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.